So the first step is to simply go to Google Earth Studio, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on Try Earth Studio in the top right corner. Then you're gonna get redirected here. So we're gonna have to click on this arrow and then click on Quick Starts. Now here you have different templates that you can use. So I recommend you to use the Orbit one, but if you want, you can use this one, this one. So simply choose any of these and then click on Start. Then what we're gonna have to do is simply search for the object or place where we want to create this footage. So I'm gonna type in Eiffel Tower, and then as you can see we have here the Eiffel Tower, and if you zoom in, of course the quality is gonna be worse, so I recommend you to use something similar to this. So I'm gonna center to this point, and then we're gonna have to click on this arrow. Now here, as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like, and as you can see we have here some settings. So we have the radius, so we can change that, and then we can preview it to see how it's gonna look like, and then we can play around with the settings and everything. We can select clockwise. Now after you play around with the settings, and let's say you're fine with these results, simply click on the arrow again, and then you can set up how many seconds you want this to be. So you can type in 15 seconds. As you can see, it's going to speed up the animation, and then click on this button. Now after that, so as you can see, you can still play around with the settings from here. Click on render in the top right corner, and then make sure to select video. Then here you have the name, you can choose a destination, dimensions, etc. And then click on submit, and then the video will be saved on your computer. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.